Google has just lifted the curtain on a brand new AI marvel, Gemini 1.5, and it's stirring up quite the buzz. In a note from Google and Alphabet CEO Sundar Pichai, we were introduced to the fruits of Google's relentless innovation, closely following the heels of its predecessor, Gemini 1.0 Ultra. This advancement is not just a step, but a giant leap in the realm of artificial intelligence, designed to make Google's suite of products even more useful, starting with Gemini Advanced. Now, both developers and cloud customers are invited to the party, given the green light to start tinkering with 1.0 Ultra through the Gemini API in AI Studio and Vertex AI. But hold on a second. The innovation train doesn't stop there. Google, with safety as its compass, is already rolling out the next-gen model, Gemini 1.5. This new iteration is a powerhouse, boasting improvements that span multiple dimensions. Notably, Gemini 1.5 Pro stands shoulder to shoulder in quality with 1.0 Ultra, yet it demands less computational power. That's no small feat. The real game changer, however, is the model's ability to understand long contexts. Gemini 1.5 can juggle up to 1 million tokens with ease, setting a new standard for large-scale foundation models. This breakthrough is more than just a technical milestone. It opens up a world of possibilities, enabling the creation of more capable and helpful applications and models. In a detailed exposition by Demis Hassabis, CEO of Google DeepMind, we're taken deeper into the excitement surrounding Gemini 1.5. This next-generation model is not just an update, it's a transformation. Built on a new mixture of experts MOE architecture, Gemini 1.5 is more efficient to train and serve, making it a lean, mean AI machine. Gemini 1.5 Pro, the first model rolled out for early testing, is a multimodal mid-size model. It's designed to excel across a broad spectrum of tasks, performing on par with Google's largest model to date, 1.0 Ultra. But the cherry on top is its experimental feature for understanding long contexts. With a standard context window of 128,000 tokens, a select group of developers and enterprise customers are getting a sneak peek at its capabilities, with a context window stretching up to 1 million tokens through AI Studio and Vertex AI in a private preview. As Google works to fully unleash the 1 million token context window, the focus is on optimizing the model to improve latency, cut down computational demands, and polish the user experience. The anticipation for developers to test this capability is palpable, with more details on its broader availability on the horizon. Gemini 1.5 stands on the shoulders of giants, drawing from Google's pioneering research in transformer and MOE architectures. Unlike traditional transformer models, which operate as a single large neural network, MOE models are segmented into smaller expert networks. These models dynamically activate the most relevant pathways for a given input, significantly boosting efficiency. The advancements in Gemini 1.5's architecture have turbocharged its ability to learn complex tasks swiftly, while maintaining high quality and operational efficiency. These improvements are a testament to Google's commitment to rapid iteration and delivery of more sophisticated AI models. The concept of a model's context window might sound technical, but it's essentially the amount of information the model can process at once. Think of it as the model's capacity to digest and analyze data, whether text, images, videos, audio, or code. The larger the context window, the more data the model can handle, resulting in outputs that are more consistent, relevant, and useful. Gemini 1.5 Pro's ability to process up to 1 million tokens is nothing short of revolutionary. This capacity enables the model to tackle enormous amounts of information in one go. Whether it's an hour of video content, 11 hours of audio, code bases with more than 30,000 lines, or documents exceeding 700,000 words, Gemini 1.5 Pro is up to the task. The team has even pushed the boundaries further in research, successfully testing up to 10 million tokens. The implications of this are vast. Gemini 1.5 Pro can analyze, classify, and summarize large volumes of content with ease. For instance, when presented with the extensive 402-page transcripts from Apollo 11's mission to the Moon, it can sift through conversations, events, and details with remarkable precision. Moreover, Gemini 1.5 Pro excels in understanding and reasoning across different modalities, including video. Given a silent Buster Keaton movie, the model can dissect plot points and events and notice subtleties that might escape human viewers. This capability extends to the realm of coding as well. When faced with prompts containing over 100,000 lines of code, Gemini 1.5 Pro demonstrates an uncanny ability to navigate through the examples, suggest modifications, and elucidate on the workings of different code segments. This level of proficiency in handling extensive blocks of code opens up new avenues for problem-solving and debugging, making Gemini 1.5 Pro a valuable asset for developers. The performance of Gemini 1.5 Pro is nothing short of impressive. In a series of comprehensive evaluations covering text, code, image, audio, and video, Gemini 1.5 Pro outshines 1.0 Pro in 87% of the benchmarks used to develop Google's large language models. What's more, when pitted against 1.0 Ultra on the same metrics, Gemini 1.5 Pro showcases a performance level that's broadly equivalent. One of the standout features of Gemini 1.5 Pro is its robust in-context learning capability. This means the model can pick up new skills from the information provided in a lengthy prompt without the need for additional fine-tuning. This skill was put to the test in the machine translation from one book MTOB benchmark, which evaluates the model's ability to learn from previously unseen information. When given a grammar manual for 𝐃𝐢𝐚𝐥, a language spoken by fewer than 200 people worldwide, Gemini 1.5 Pro demonstrated the ability to translate English to 𝐃𝐢𝐚𝐥 with a proficiency comparable to that of a human learning from the same material. The introduction of Gemini 1.5 Pro's long context window is a pioneering step for large-scale models. As this feature is unprecedented, Google is developing new evaluations and benchmarks to assess its novel capabilities thoroughly. Alongside these technical feats, Google places a strong emphasis on ethics and safety in AI development. Adhering to its AI principles and robust safety protocols, Google ensures that its models, including Gemini 1.5 Pro, undergo rigorous ethics and safety testing. This process involves integrating research findings into governance processes, model development, and evaluations to continuously refine AI systems. Since the debut of 1.0 Ultra in December, Google has refined the model to enhance its safety for broader release. This includes conducting innovative research on potential safety risks and developing red teaming techniques to identify and mitigate possible harms. Before launching 1.5 Pro, Google applied the same meticulous approach to responsible deployment as it did with the Gemini 1.0 models. This includes comprehensive evaluations focusing on content safety, representational harms, and the development of additional tests to accommodate the unique long context capabilities of 1.5 Pro. Google's commitment to responsibly bringing each new generation of Gemini models to the global community is unwavering. Starting today, a limited preview of 1.5 Pro is available to developers and enterprise customers via AI Studio and Vertex AI. Further details about this initiative can be found on Google's developer and Google Cloud blogs. Looking ahead, Google plans to release 1.5 Pro with a standard 128,000 token context window, with pricing tiers that accommodate up to 1 million tokens as the model undergoes further enhancements.